Welcome everyone to Module 7. Now, after learning in Module 6 about files and directories, next in this module, we will dive into the concepts of file system and how to implement the file system. We would see some of the basic contents about how to build a simple file system first, what data structures would we need, what do we need to track, what information do we need to track in order to implement correct versions of these data structures or manage these data structures, how do we access these data structures, and overall, how do we perform data and metadata organization, what are the different indexing techniques in order to manage the data, how do we manage the free space inside our device, what are different access paths in the way that how do we read and how do we write from our file system, and how can we further enhance the performance of this file system by concepts of caching and buffering.